Hello everyone, I am Amulya Gavre from SYBAC, roll number 2539. My topic is social media and depression in adolescents. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Over the past decade, social media platforms were designed to help people communicate and share information online. This has become normal these days. Among the youth, 97% of all adolescents between the age of 13 to 17 use at least one of these social media platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. According to a research, some adolescents have stated that social media gives them a feeling of greater connection to friends and interaction with diverse group of people. Social media may provide opportunities to social connection and greater access to information, but there is a link between social media and depression among adolescents. It was proof that adolescents who spend more time on Instagram, Facebook, and other social media platforms are shown to have higher rate of reported depression than the adolescents who use social media less. Those adolescents who have online and offline interaction with balance have less chances of suffering from depression than adolescents who interact with people only on social media. In the last 6 to 7 years, the depression rates have increased by 30% to 40% in teenagers. An average teenager spends 7 hours of their day on smartphone. But why do adolescents use so much of social media? Based on studies, it is found out that screen time releases the brain chemical called as dopamine, which has an important role in cravings and desires. People use social media more because people want to get good feelings out of it. The social media is associated with decreased face-to-face interpersonal interaction, addiction-like behavior, online bullying, social pressure because of social comparison. This has increased the risk of depression and suicide among the adolescents. One of the leading causes of depression in adolescents is loss of self-esteem. Plenty of people on Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat promote a made-up version of their identities. People are aware of the filters, apps and features that makes their body seem thinner. Yet they intentionally produce content for Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, which makes them look prettier, happier, and even more wealthier. Adolescence is a stage where an individual builds a major aspect of his or her personality. These adolescents compare themselves with the people online and celebrities. They fail to recognize what is real and what is really real, and start doubting their own life and their appearances. This increases anxiety, low self-worth, insecurities, and leads to depression in adolescents. Sleep deprivation is also a leading cause to depression. It was found out that adolescents who use social media for 5 hours or more than that were 70% more likely to fall asleep later or get less sleep. It was found out that adolescent girls tend to be more prone to depression than that of boys. Suicide rates of girls have doubled in numbers since the smartphone era. Depression is more prone to adolescent girls because girls are found more conflicting between society's standards and demands of traditional gender roles. It is truly said that we are most connected than ever before, yet we are lonelier than we have ever been. Depression in adolescents because of social media can be severe, but we can overcome it. We can cope with it by adopting different measures